In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a draft email in Outlook. Whether you're gathering your thoughts for a crucial message or simply organizing your emails for later, learning to create drafts can be quite handy. Let's walk through the process together so you can learn how to create a draft email with ease. To start, the first thing you want to do is go to Microsoft Outlook. You can do this by visiting the Outlook website in your preferred web browser. Outlook is part of the Microsoft 365 suite, and it's designed to help you manage emails efficiently. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find the sign in button. Clicking this button will prompt you to enter your email and password. If you already have a Microsoft account, simply enter your credentials here, and if you don't have one yet, you might want to create an account to access all the features Outlook offers. Filling in your email and password lays the foundation, allowing you to access your email inbox where all the magic happens. With your credentials entered and verified, you'll now find yourself on the main Outlook page, which should feel familiar to anyone who has used an email application before. Now look for the New Mail button, typically located towards the left side of your screen. Clicking this button allows you to compose a new email. The next step is to start typing your message. This space offers you the chance to draft your thoughts, ideas, and important information. It's the perfect spot to plan your email before sending it out. Feel free to pour out everything you need to say, as you can always come back to edit it later. Remember, there's no pressure to perfect it right now. Drafts are a great way to collect your thoughts, refine your message, and ensure you're issuing clear communication in your emails. After drafting your message, the beauty of Outlook's interface allows simple navigation. Instead of searching for a clear Save as Draft button, you simply click the X on the bottom or corner of the interface. This step might seem less intuitive, but worry not. By doing this, Outlook will automatically save your progress, and your message will be stored securely in your Drafts folder, ready for you to revisit anytime. By following these steps, you've successfully learned to draft an email in Outlook. Drafting is an essential email skill. It ensures you have thoughtful, well-composed messages every time. Thank you for joining me, and remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to join the conversation in the comments below. Happy drafting!